Calcutta, the city with its established historical importance, the city which has delivered many firsts in India, has now yet again come up with India's or the nation's first underwater metro project, that is the Kolkata East-West Metro project. We at Hitachi Rail STS has collaborated with Kolkata East-West Metro Rail Corporation to be a part of this wonderful project. We are delivering here the first underwater metro project going below the river Hooghly, which is around 33 meters deep at is the deepest point. The Kolkata East-West Metro Rail will be providing its commuter with a safe, fast, reliable and economical mode of transportation to commute between Sector 5 and Howrah stations. These are the three major sections or hubs in the Calcutta region which serves as the IT hub, the manufacturing hub respectively. The travel time from each of these stations to the other locations will be reduced around 50% as compared to other modes of transportations. This project holds a special value in our heart. Despite multiple external factors leading to the delay, such as delay in site access from the civil interfacing contractor, the changes in the rolling stock suppliers, we have persevered to the project and have delivered this project finally from end to end. In this project, we have deployed our leading communication-based train control supervision system along with automatic train supervision system, which provides seamless connectivity and even provides semi-driverless automatic operations for train running, which is safe, secure, fast and reliable. Apart from the signaling system, we have also delivered a gamut of telecom systems in this project. That includes the CCTV system, the PIDS system or the passenger information display systems, the passenger announcement system, integration with fire systems, etc., which provides additional safety layers to the passengers and the workers working in this project over here. We are very happy to be a part of this beautiful journey. This project is a perfect example of Hitachi core value of harmony, sincerity and pioneering spirit.